everybody, it's me Sissy, back today with a Dollar Tree haul and a shout out to a great company on Amazon called Monbix. They sent me a lovely comforter set. I'm going to be trying it on my bed. I'm going to redo my bedroom and I'll show y'all as I go along. But it's really lovely. It has sheets, pillow shams, decorative pillow, and a comforter, and it's reversible. So I went ahead and took the comforter out of the box, and it's beautiful gray, dark gray, and light gray. So once I get it in my bedroom and get it all put together, I'll show it to you, and it feels so soft. I can't wait to use it. But anyway, let's get right to our Dollar Tree haul. I've got a big bag of stuff, some craft stuff, some home stuff, and some food stuff. Let's start with, it's all spilling out of the bag, so we'll just jump right in. The first thing is this Refresh Me Mojito sugar-free 0-calorie mix, and this is the Mojito, and I believe I've got a margarita one in here somewhere, but we'll look and see. But I thought this might be nice. I'm going to try it. You know, I like to put flavors in my tea, so I might try a little dash of that in my tea and see how it tastes. And we might try it in a mojito with some alcohol maybe, but it's non-alcoholic and it's 12 fluid ounces. So, got that. I don't have a lot of room here. I got a big bag of stuff. I picked up some of the beautiful spring florals they have. I'm going to be doing a sort of a welcome sign for my front door, and I thought these would be lovely on it. All different kinds. I got the wildflowers, some of this greenery. It just says greenery and wildflowers. So, but always check Dollar Tree first. These are great for fillers if you want to just get these for filler and then spend a little more at Hobby Lobby or Michael's for some nicer looking. I mean, they are nice looking, but sometimes they have gorgeous flowers at Hobby Lobby and Michael's. I can't help myself, so, but I always use a coupon. Always use a coupon. Y'all never pay full price at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. But anyway, I picked those up. And I got some more ribbons for my car. I always like to put the ribbons on my antenna so I can find my car in the parking lot. And I was very excited to see in the craft or square department, I think this is all I got was these three. They had faux leather. I got a black, a dark blue, and a tan color. I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to use these in my Cricut Joy to make some keychains. So y'all stay tuned for that. I hope it works. The Cricut brand faux leather is really kind of pricey, and I always like to do my stuff as inexpensive as possible. So we're going to give these a try and see what we can do with them. And another little craft thing I picked up were these cute signs, home decor with the beads on it. If you have a beach house or a lake house and wanted something a little beachy, these are beautiful. My house has no beach decor, but I thought I could kind of transform these into something a little farmhouse. So we're going to see what we can do with those. And they have this gorgeous bottle. Some of y'all may know I have a shelf in my living room that has all kind of Harry Potter related stuff. I'm a big Harry Potter fan. I thought I would use this as a potion bottle or put a tag on it that says unicorn tears or something, but I just thought it was really cute. It's so iridescent and I love that shape, so I picked that up. And oh, here's another craft item. I saw these. I thought maybe I could make earrings out of these. I don't know really. They're Greenbrier Crafters products. They'd be cute on cards as a little wooden accent, or I don't know if you can see it hanging off bottles, but this one is all kind of nature. Has a little crayon in there, mushrooms and owls and birdies. And then this one is bicycles and cars and houses. So I thought I would use those for something. I'm always picking up something thinking I'm going to use it on something. So. And then I picked up another cooking tray. These are good to have, and they're only $1, and you get marked up or dirty, you can just toss them away. And I picked this up as a business card holder, but I'm going to be making a sublimated tile for a friend for Mother's Day, and I thought this would make a good little stand for it. I think I'm going to spray paint this white, but I'll let y'all see that when I get to working on it. And I'm going to, some more craft items in here. I picked up these wooden beads. I thought those were cute. Might string them up, make some bracelets out of them. And some more ribbons for my car. And they say happy birthday. May is my birthday month, so y'all wish me a happy birthday. I think I'm going to celebrate the whole month, y'all. So, because I'm in 50 something. I'm not going to say exactly how old I am, but it's close enough. And then I picked up this cute adhesive diamond wrap in purple. I'm going to be making a little Mother's Day sort of gift for my big sister for Mother's Day coming up. And that's what I got in here all wrapped up. Oh yeah, these were some more little glass ornaments. Cute little tray, but it's actually to be made into a sign. You can put vinyl on here, stickers, write on it with some glass pins or something. So I picked up that one, and I think I have, yeah, they had a different shape. They had the little round ones, so let's see what I can do with those. I'm just running out of room, y'all. I think I bought too much. Oh, look, there's another one. I missed that one. Oh, they had the white leather, so I picked up a white leather, and this is, what size is this? 11.75 inches by 20 inches. So if this works, it's going to be a great value for $1.25. And I found some more of the Palmer's cocoa butter formula two-step hair mask. I love these. I try to do one once a week. And I was just about on my last pack when I found these. I did find them on Amazon, but believe me, they're a lot more than $1.25 on Amazon. And then I picked up some more. These are the little round beads to go with the oblong ones. So I thought for the summer I'd make some summery looking little beaded bracelets to have. And I don't really need any more socks, but I saw these with the little paw prints on them, and I had to have them, so I picked them up. And I'm kind of picking through because I've got some stuff in here that's all for one thing, and we'll get to that in a minute. But I picked up the, this is 12 disposable icing bags. My sister has been wanting me for the longest time to make like a faux cake to go on her bar in her kitchen. So I thought I'd pick those up and finally get that project done for her. And I picked up 20 mini cups. These are good for crafting, mixing up paint or glue or, you know, whatever. Or putting them in your bathroom and using them for your toothpaste. Or if you're having a 4th of July party, it'd be great for shots. So, some more purple bling wrap. And you know us girls got to have our bling. Oh, and this is another crafted thing I found. This cute little wooden frame with tin in it. Magnetic little board. That'd be great to make a message board or make a sign, you know, to put some vinyl on or something. So I picked up 2 of those. Oh, and then I picked up this cute little sign. It says everything with love, makeup brushes. I'm redoing a little room off my bedroom as a kind of a makeup dressing room. It was a tiny little half bath that I wasn't using, but I think that'll be cute in there. Almost to the end, y'all. And then I picked up a bunch of beauty things. The hand and nail gloves by Be Pure for nourishing your hands like when you have a manicure. And then the cucumber and chamomile body wash, some hand soap, and this is hibiscus rose. I got this for me. I just love anything with rose in it. So I picked that up for me to have. And then some chamomile and cucumber bath crystals. I thought I'd kind of put it all together and make a basket for Mother's Day. Give you some ideas to do Mother's Day, and that's coming up real soon. I know I kind of left it last minute, but as some of y'all know, I haven't been feeling the best lately, but I feel like I might be getting a little bit better. And also some chamomile cucumber fragrance mist to put in the little basket. Then I found these great Shore Living silver plastic napkin rings. I thought those were really cute. I might do them over to kind of match my decor in my kitchen, which is far from the shore and it's country, so we're going to try that. And then I picked up some of this Hawaiian Retreat Room Mist. It smells really good. And it's Wizard brand, and it smells really good, and it's 8 fluid ounces. And I'm going to do some little trying to finish painting my porch, and I'm trying to do for like 6 months, but every time I go to do it, it rains. So pick that up. And then I thought I would throw this 3-piece manicure set, the Essential Manicure Set by Diamond Cosmetics. Put that in my little gift basket. And my last item I picked up for me, and it's called Letterboard Notes, Quotes for Every Day. And it's a Greenbrier project, and we're going to open it up. And it just kind of folds out. Has like a built-in stand. If I can figure out how to bend it. There we go. You just bend it like that. Then it'll stand on your desk, and you can pick out, do the different signs for different days. Do small things with great love. A lot of inspirational. Bring your own sunshine. The best things in life aren't things. Lots of things like that. Smile more, worry less. So I just thought that was really cute, and that would be great to put in a Mother's Day basket too. But anyway, y'all, that's my Dollar Tree haul. I hope to be back with some DIYs before Mother's Day, and just more DIYs in general. But anyway, thanks for hanging in there with me. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.